Welcome back to Notes Edition, where I read notes off of my phone. Today's note is called The Speculative Bet of Bitcoin. As far as viewing Bitcoin as an investment, it's essentially an investment in market psychology. In that way, it is speculative, but that doesn't exclude it from being an asset, a superior one at that. Gold can be considered an investment in that way as well, even if the investment doesn't produce cash flow in the same way a business or a dividend stock produces cash. The investment eventually produces cash flow whenever the asset re-enters the marketplace. When a business produces cash flow, it is a realized gain from a speculative bet that people will still demand whatever good or service the business provides month over month in a scalable fashion. When the bet goes south, so does the business's cash flow. Whenever a stock produces cash flow, it is a realized gain from a speculative bet that the perceived performance of the company earnings will justify the opportunity cost of risking investment capital. When performance or price goes down, so does the stock's cash flow. Whenever store of value assets produce cash flow, it is again a realized gain from a speculative bet that the asset's perceived value will outpace the market return on any other asset after factoring in risk tolerance and the cost of capital. When demand for the asset goes south, so does the asset's cash flow. Although the dollar and Bitcoin are both fake currencies, they both have use cases. The dollar is demanded as compensation for work, used as a language spendable across a significant portion of the world economy. Bitcoin is less spendable in the immediate sense, yet remains in high demand for its use case as hard money, a store of value or safe haven asset. The network functions despite any trade sanctions or censorship. It is sought after for its deflationary monetary policies encoded within its infrastructure. It is regarded by many as the most secure and anti-fragile monetary network. It is a novel asset class because it is decentralized, autonomous, and global. And that's today's note.